disturb the things by clapping. That's the next thing, and prizes were announced then and there. Who was the first singer, second singer. I was expecting one will be given to a male. There was a very good singer, Shashikant or someone, he'll be getting. One more Carnatic music singer was there, she'll get one prize. So two prizes are left. One is third prize and the other is a consolation prize. At least consolation prize I'll be getting. So the person has announced consolation prize. I didn't get, my name was not there. I was standing somewhere at the back. Then I was pushing the people in front of me. Next my name will be announced. So please move ahead. There was a lady girl from computer science, Saika. She was Sandhya, your name was not there. Don't worry, my name will be there next. So I come in front, but they didn't announce my name. I was very, sad that time. No three names, Sanjay was there, not even the consolation prize. Then I decided, at least one day I should take memento from principal sir. I've taken it in my third year for an event Dempsey and Dictionary. That time he didn't have a chance to leave because he need to present the memento. So this experience I share with most of my trainee graduates just to make them feel light, and this is one of the moments I cherish a lot from this college. I have many other things, but this comes to my mind first. Swati ma'am will be after us.
Yes. Yeah.
Though she is the Varal Devata, she is giving everyone thing, but time limit.
We want to clear to them, but the only thing is we have this time constraint.
Time limit. If we have any genuine questions coming up, we'll answer and then come to you.
Yes, definitely. Or you can mail to them personally and then I can help you.
Till now we are talking about where we get placements, but I want to question you like where I want to give placements, like I want to be an entrepreneur. So what kind of tasks, what kind of pressures and how to convince people in and around me, and lots of questions are flashing in my mind. So do any one of you will suggest me anything?
Definitely you have to go ahead with your MBA full-time program where you will get to know about all the things which are running in your mind. You will have all the answers over there. And to become an entrepreneur, you must have certain experience, right? I guess you understood. As soon as you leave from the college, you will not be that experienced person because you will not be exposed to different kinds of people and different kinds of business. I don't know on which business line you want to become an entrepreneur, but let it be some X, Y or Z, but you have to go ahead with your MBA full-time program as an entrepreneur.
Information technology.
So, okay, in IT you want to become an entrepreneur. Okay, fine. Then you have to go ahead with your full-time MBA program. Then give your best in the CAT exam.
Yes.
You have CAT, ZAT, GMAT.
So one more thing, see, when you want to set up a business, first you should be clear on what you want to do. Now you are clear on that you want to provide some opportunities
To IT people and you are interested in that. So when you are setting up that, first you also should have a prior experience, okay? You should know like management skills and all you may get through MBA and all. Before that, I suggest you personally have the experience in that certain field. In your case, that's information technology. So entrepreneurship is a long-term goal. Always it will be a long-term goal, okay? So first you should start with some profession. First you should understand what is required, like how the industry is, what are the services you need to give. Then only you can understand what technically you can expect from your people who you are employing, okay? So what I suggest is, let this goal be there. Work for some company where you are interested in, work for 3 years, 4 years, simultaneously you prepare for CAT or something, whatever it is. Let it not be a very good institute or anything. MBA will give you the skills to manage all these things. Then you can start up your company. And one more thing is important is your finances. So when you are working, you can, if you have some work experience, you will be funded by the government, you will be funded by the bank. Everything. For that also, you should have experience. So experience in your case, because you want IT, is what I suggest is Just work for some time, some years, and then you can start it.
Thank you.
Myself Monica, and my question is how should we and manage our health at such situations?
Which situations?
Any kind of situation which we are not able to face.
What exactly you mean by saying managing your health?
Means how to take care of our health.
That now you're not taking care of your health.
No, actually it's a busy schedule, so we are not able to take care of our health. So how should we take care of it?
Might be about stress.
Maybe I think she wants to talk about not the physical health because only doctors can help you there.
Yeah.
Work-life balance kind of.
Yes, it's the stress she is talking about. How to handle the stress at workplace. Stress of work.
Work-life balance. That you can answer very well.
Again, might have come to me. Stress at workplace, first of all, we need to stay cool. This everyone will say. Please be seated first. If you have any type of situation coming up which you can't handle, someone irritated you, like Harita will be irritated every time some 2 students have come to us. First of all, don't show frustration. We'll be frustrated. That's a human tendency. If you don't show, that means you're not a human, you're an alien. But try to control your frustration. Frustration, if it is controlled, stress will be a bit relieved. And find out in what things you will feel yourself relaxed. Most of us at our workplace, I listen to music and do work. None of my managers have a problem with that. There may be some, but none of them will have with that. Listen to music, that keeps you calm. In between, most of us will take coffee breaks more and work less. They say like this, we are working 8 hours, but in true IT company, you go 8 hours work will not be there completely. They'll complete smart work as Lalita has told. True. I'll complete my work in 2 hours. What will be I doing the other 6 hours? I'll not completely waste on coffee breaks or something. I'll try to keep myself relaxed. Be relaxed. Don't take too much stress. It will take a toll on your health. And we need to be after hospitals after that. There your doctors and the other people will come. So be relaxed.
I mean, you have to give time to yourself. Okay, that's the main important thing. We are very scheduled. You have to wake up. You have to go. You have to cook in case if you are naturally married. You know, a lot of things will come up. Lot of complexities there will be there. You have to give time to yourself. That's the one important.
Related to the weaknesses. Like headache and all.
Take a Saridon.
It will be habituated. It will be habituated and it's not good for our health.
I mean,
Just kidding.
yeah, she's just kidding. It's not like you can tablet to avoid it.
Do yoga or something.
Yeah,
like
that's
that. In
a
the
good
long
thing.
run, it will help you for sure.
Yes. I mean, even I have seen a difference when you do a workout or an exercise and all, you will be.
I can suggest her one thing.
Yeah.
See, Art of Living is one kind of program which you can go and attend so that it will get most of your answers which she wants to get
Isha
clarified.
Foundation is there, no? Isha Foundation, I guess most of you, Sadhguru.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you just follow him. I mean, you didn't be a volunteer in that and all that. Just follow his advices. There are things,
And
there are
you-
many things that
and practice
the
yoga.
problem
That'll be
is
better.
people should know what they want. Then only they can manage their stress well.
How do you manage your stress with the exams over here?
Yeah. Exams is what we learn from our faculty. We will take it into consideration and we will prepare for that. I don't have the exam.
No. So that means you don't have any stress factor when you take exams.
No.
The same thing applies
Why
to
do you have stress in workplace? Workplace means as this is a busy schedule from 8 to 4, then I will go for a tuition. Means directly I don't go for a home and I will stay the tuitions at their home. So after going home I feel some weak, means I become weak. So how to overcome that?
Stay hydrated, drink lots of water.
Your hydrate habits have to change.
Simple tips for the rich.
And also take some leaves in between that.
Yoga.
Okay, you'll be given 15 leaves per year.
And
Go
most-
for a walk,
yeah.
right? At least 15-20 minutes walk. Just listen
Most
to
of them said be proactive, say yes.
try to say no also sometimes.
Yeah.
Saying no is very difficult. That means if you have a leave planned in between and your manager comes to you, this is the work you need to, I have already planned my leave, I'll not do this.
Yeah.
Be bold in that aspect, try to say no. Very difficult, but do that. That relieves most of your stress.
Do not think of impressing others. See, being professional is like you have to impress your client, that's all. You need to impress people around you. That gives you a lot of stress. You know, be the way you are and be firm. That doesn't give you much stress. Okay, when you start thinking what they are thinking of me, what if I react in this situation, that will give you a lot of stress.
The same answer we have given to Srividya. Don't think about others what they think about you. Think
Just
about
be yourself. You have so much in your life, so many constructive things in your life, right? So you think of your life and dietary habits. Do not skip meals. That's the
Don't
best.
skip breakfast first. Healthy
Breakfast, 80% of your meal should be breakfast. Never skip breakfast. That becomes a very big problem.
You have to manage you have to make a timetable.
Before we get into diet, any other questions? Diet and see.
See, I come across like one doctor when I
Just a moment. Other than diet question, if you have.
Yes, please sit up. Yes, ask your question.
Good afternoon all. Before asking my question, I just want to go with one situation. After completion of my BTech, I got to go to one startup company, small company, and I have gained experience there. And after gaining experience on web technologies, so my mind said that time that it's enough of small company now, and I want to go to TCS or Infosys. So I have joined in Infosys or TCS even. What they going to expect take me like an experienced candidate, or as I have to join again in a training period?
They'll consider your experience.
They consider your experience. You will be a lateral entry. You will not be a fresher anymore.
Okay.
And recently they have even, TCS is considering the domain experience also as a total years of experience. Initially they used to cut off some experience. So suppose you have worked on domain knowledge and you enter into TCS, they used to cut off that, okay? Only 50% used to be considered as experience. But now they will be taking full. So you will not be a fresher anymore, you will be an experienced.
I don't see any ECE students here. Are they not there?
They went to lab.
Only 2 or 3 of them.
Even mechanical.
Yes, no one asking any
I expected a lot of core missions and
So we expected
Anybody from mechanical here?
Okay, we'll come to that. Any more questions?
No questions from
I am Vaidehi from mechanical.
Why you are asking any
I'm very passionate about my core side, so I want to do job in core side only. So is there any difficulty to get a job in core side?
Over to Harita.
Yeah, it's not difficult to get a job in core side. We also have private sector to say. We have a few placements over here, right? We are getting good companies through CoKids. We are getting some companies, Hyundai. We are getting Bosch. We are getting. Try for that first. Right now,
Actually, many industries get eligible for only boys.
no, it's not like that.
Then where?
If any company keeps an like constraint that it's only for boys, don't apply to that company. You can't apply, right? Try for the companies who are giving more preference to women, okay? You just don't see on the cons of that. You see the pros of. See, I worked in Bosch and telling, right? You just first concentrate at this particular level. You concentrate on those placements which our college is providing, okay? Try for that. If you do not get that, okay, we have GATE. You really GATE is like one thing which you'll have to give your best. Okay, I got GATE 3,500 around rank when I'm like in 2013 when I'm in my 4th year. But now again I attempted last year, I did not score at all because right now this is a very correct platform for you. You just if you really want to be in a mechanical field, you give your best, you read well, study well, get all the technical concepts, you crack the gate, okay?
After getting the job, surviving in that job is that.
No, it's not at all difficult. That's what I'm telling, right? Be bold. The girl which I was saying in Bosch.
Same question, survival. Any other question?
It's already answered.
Survival in any industry?
We can. It's up to us. Your
Now you
confidence,
tell
your
us engineering
and all.
industry.
Survival in core subject. In core.
Core steel plant has gone. She has answered that. How do you survive?
There is no issue in surviving.
I am from core-related job. I am doing in core-related only. So there is no issues. So if you know softwares which are related core, so ProE, ANSYS, CATIA, whatever softwares you know, then you can get very easily the jobs. So all are eagerly waiting for you people. So if you know very well, not full software, basics is enough, then you can get very easily. So previously I worked in CAD center as a trainee. Okay, after that I moved to Siemens. So in CAD center I trained softwares which I learned from here. So I thank our college actually. Our department, mechanical department, they supported a lot. So that basics only I went to in CAD center. After that I learned a lot. After that I moved to Siemens. So in that again there is a lot of different softwares also they are using. So if you are well in basics, it is enough to get a good job in core related. That is it.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm working in a company, and there's a project. It's basically an MVC, as it's quite needed today and it's quite in demand.